everybody, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with my Destash. This is video number 3 of 3. It is PayPal only, US only. You have to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. I didn't say that in my other 2 videos, but I will have it in description. And it's first come, first serve, and you know, I really don't have space in these boxes really to combine shipping, except for if you buy the stamp ones, it's possible I can give you reduced price on shipping, but otherwise it is what it is. So let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be box number 11, and these are from Saw Crafters. And I'm actually going to sell this. I have to put it in a large flat rate box, which is $18. So I'm going to sell this at $38, which is a total steal for this. So you get a police box. You get this. This makes like a holder for like cards or like albums. This one is a slider door storage. I should show you guys the one that I've made. I use it for my jewelry. I really, really love them. And there are directions on how to make these on Saw Crafters channel. This one makes a closet. And these are amazing for storage. I mean, I'm going to tell you that I have made these and they are amazing. I did keep some to make someday. This is for drawer. And this makes a carousel. It makes a full-on carousel. And she made that on her YouTube channel. She is no longer in business. But these are amazing projects. So you paint them and then you put them together, or you cover them in paper. I used, what did I use for mine? I used, I used Graphic 45, and I made it like, I don't know how long, 8 or 9 years ago, and I love it. I use it for all my jewelry. So these are like little teacups. That's a teacup. These are some numbers. These are these are little sort of like tags, I guess. You know, they have a hole in them, but they have like brother, sister, daddy's little girl, that kind of thing. And then here are these right here. Okay, so this is number 11, and it is $38. And in my opinion, it's a steal because she sold the stuff for way more than that, and it's really fun. I think you guys will like them. All right, so this one's number 12. Oh, I'm sweating. This is number 12. Okay, so number 12 is $25. And all right. So these are all, from what I can tell, for the most part, never opened, possibly. I don't think they've been open. No. Oh, this one's been open. Okay, so we have this one, which is Gumball Green. That one never been opened. This one is Raspberry Ripple, never opened. And we have Pear Pizzazz, never opened. Chocolate Chip, never opened. Certainly Celery, never opened. Chocolate Chip, been opened. Don't know how much was used out of that. Probably not very much. And then we have this Project Life Mint Chevron 6x8 album, never used. And then we have this Fall Glitter Matte Stock that's in there. So that one is $25 shipped, and it is number 12. And the last one, number 13. And oh, thank goodness, because I am a sweaty mess from doing all of these. Okay, so number 13. Again, you need to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. This is like a planner one, I guess. I know it's got all kinds of odds and ends and things in here. Like, it is just full. I just cleaned out a bunch of stuff. Okay. And there is some Planner Society stuff in here too. Okay, so we have this, which is Webster's Studio Traveler's Notebook. Never used. I bought it at Hobby Lobby clearance. It's really pretty, but gotta have to say goodbye to it. I paid $7.50 for it. Then we have these. This one. This is a lined one. These are all like Midori size or like the regular size. List one. There is a spending one. There's a calendar. There is this list one. Okay, so all right, and then we've got this. This is Planner Society. It's sealed. It's like a notebook. Sealed. This one is My Lists, sealed. This one is called, it says Hello Life. Not sealed, but never used. That's also Planner Society. This is Happy Scrappy. It is a traveler's notebook. This is Webster's Pages, so it can go into that traveler's notebook that I just showed you from Webster's. Brand new, never opened. So this one has undated calendars. So you got a whole system. This is Dilution's Creative Diary, never used. I've got the Happy Planner. These are some stickers never used. A Stray one that didn't fit. This is a Martha Stewart Punch. I have a Planner Society bag. Okay, so let's see what else we've got here. I've got this, which is Shine Sticker Studio, Sweet Kawaii Design. These little sticker die cut stickers. It's all new stuff. Let's see. Another traveler's notebook from Happy Scrappy. Let's see. This is like a sticker book from what do you call that place? From Planner Society. Is just one of those things that came in one of the earlier kits. I've got these stickers, these stickers, these stickers, these clips, these clips. I've got these agenda pens. I've got this sticker book. I use like 2 stickers out of it. Okay, so here's some Planner Society stuff. I have this noted little book, Planner Society. And I've got these notes, Planner Society. These notes, Planner Society. These are just, who knows where I got that. These are Studio Calico stamps. Studio Calico stamps. This is Planner Society. Planner Society. These are Post-it notes. Planner Society Post-it notes. Some clips. These are Planner Society Post-its. These are just random cloud ones. This is Planner Society Post-its. And just a donut. Okay, so this one is number 13, and it is $35 shipped. And that's everything. If you're interested in any of this, please email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Thank you so much for watching. This is the News Crane Thought.